Hello and welcome to another episode of Inside Admission at Wilmington College. I'm Danny Harp, Associate Director of Admission, and today, perhaps you can tell, we are preparing to have guests on our campus, which we love having company. Adam, our Director of Admission, is here helping get some things set up. Adam, if you could tell our audience, what is it you enjoy most about having visitors on campus?
I love having our students and families, their guests on our campus, just because we get a chance to meet and interact. That's what we do so well here. It's a personalized experience when you come to Wilmington College. It's our office's opportunity to show that, demonstrate that as a prospective student. So we get to know you. We get to share what your interests are. We get to tell you about what we have that match those interests and build that relationship, get it started. And for a lot of our students today, they're juniors, they're finishing their junior year. I should say they're seniors now because they're starting, their final chapter in high school. We're excited about that. We're excited for them to join us here and carry on that, education at the higher level with the programs that we have to offer.
Okay, very good. Thanks, Adam. I know you got other things to get to.
Absolutely.
Hey, Jaylon, if you could come here. We have a student that has come back today. One of our student ambassadors specifically has come back to help us out with our program day. This is Jaylon Covington. He is from
Columbus, Ohio.
Columbus, Ohio. Jaylon, I'm sure you visited our campus while you were making your all-important college decision. What was it about Wilmington College that made you decide, this is where I want to be, this is where I want to spend 4 years to get my education?
Well, for me, when I first got here, it felt very inclusive. So when I got here, it was really family oriented. When I got here, it didn't feel like I was out of place. It felt like I was at home.
Okay.
So it was just like extended version of home when I got here, walking around with faculty and talking to everyone. So
very good. And I know your family also felt great about having you here, knowing you were going to be taken care of and finding a place to call home, right? Very good. Excellent. And also, Jenny Tower has been very instrumental in putting together today's event. Jenny, if you could come over here real quick. What goes into putting together a day like today as far as what we want our students and families to receive when they get here?
Sure. So first and foremost, we just want you to experience campus. It is a beautiful day. We couldn't ask for better weather than we have currently today on campus. And so as far as what goes in today, just making sure that our campus is ready and prepared for guests, making sure that we have information that you might want as a prospective student to gain from today's event. So making sure we have information on hand ready for you, making sure that our counselors are available to answer the questions that you all have. And then, of course, also having some of our students on campus to really showcase everything that Wilmington has to offer and what it's like to be a student on our campus currently.
Excellent. Thank you so much. And again, I know you got lots to take
that's
care
all
of.
right.
Appreciate you taking the time. So whether you are a junior, whether you are a senior, whether you are already have graduated from high school just a few weeks ago, we're still welcoming guests to our campus. And even if you are having graduated, there's time. We would be happy to work with you through the admission process, through the financial aid process, and keep you on track to be here this fall. This is just a sample of the types of things that we do throughout the school year, providing programs and providing information to get you the information and your family the information you need in regard to that all-important college decision. Thank you for joining us again. I'm Danny Harp, and we look forward to joining you again next week for another episode of Inside Admission at Wilmington College.